Hi everyone, it's Dana here. Today I am going to share with you guys our favorite takeaway dish. Yes, if you ask me what's our family's favorite takeaway dish is, it's KFC chicken. My family loves having KFC. So I had to find out how to make this delicious crispy chicken. After many attempts, I finally did. And I am going to share that recipe with you guys today. So, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients that we need. You can check these on the description box down below as well. Let's prepare our chicken. Firstly, we are going to add salt into this. I have 8 chicken drumsticks. You can also use chicken thighs or even chicken wings here. Rub the chicken really well to make sure each and every chicken piece gets coated with salt. This helps to add the flavors into our chicken. Leave this for about 15 minutes to absorb the salty flavors. Next, we are going to prepare our flour with spices. Add corn flour, paprika powder, chili powder, garlic powder, pepper, mustard powder, and salt. You can adjust the chili, or if you're not a spicy chicken fan, get rid of that. Mix them all well to combine. Now we are going to divide this flour mixture. Grab another bowl and place one half while keeping the other half. This is for our wet and dry coatings. Let's make the batter now. Place 2 eggs and whisk the mixture really well while adding water little by little. Our batter needs to be free from lumps. This is super easy as we already added our spices before. All we have to do is whisk it off. Now our batter is smooth and ready. Let's get started to fry our chicken. Pour oil into a deep pan. To check our oil, I placed a wooden stick and it's bubbling up. That means our oil is ready. Firstly, coat the chicken really well in batter. Shake it off and place it in the flour mixture. Press the flours onto the chicken to make sure we have a good coating. Shake it off the excess flour and place it in the oil. Our chicken needs to be in room temperature so it will cook properly, and also make sure not to overcrowd the pan as it will reduce the oil temperature and result in greasy chicken. Fry the chicken for about 15 minutes until it reaches the golden brown color. Turn them occasionally to avoid getting stick to each other. Our chicken is ready and it has become golden color. Transfer this into a wire rack to drain the excess oil and to cool it off. So once the first batch is finished, it is very important to remove all the bits and pieces floating in our oil. We don't want these to get stick with our next batch. So repeat this process with the remaining chicken pieces. We have KFC-style fried chicken with crispy outside and juicy inside. All those spices and herbs give a flavorful chicken that whole family can enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and see you next time.